Hello fam, and welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Josephine. Now in today's video I want to show you how you can be able to conserve the small space that you have in your phone. Yes, probably it's because you are receiving lots of media from your WhatsApp groups and from WhatsApp broadcast, and since I want to make sure that you can still access this very media. I'll show you how you can be able to save your space, and still you can be able to view this media, and of course you can be able to share the very same media with a third party. Yo, how cool is that, guys? So do make sure that you watch this video until the end for more details. Stay tuned, details coming shortly. So guys, let's dive into it. I'll be using WhatsApp Business. You can say I have two broadcasts here on top. So what I'll do, I will click the first one continuously until it clicks, just the way you share your other media. So once that happens, I'll click the three buttons at the top of my right hand, and then I'll go to group info. So once that happens, I'll go to media visibility. I click there, and then as you can see here, I'll set these to no, because I don't want this media to be saved in my gallery. You get it? Save to no. If you say default, it will still save. If you say yes, it will still save. So you say no, all right? That means that media won't be able to be saved in your gallery. Likewise with my next group, the second one is a group. Just do the very same thing and follow this simple procedure of doing that. Now, let's do this now. For example, let's say that you want to share the very same media from these groups or from your broadcast, and you have limited it from saving the gallery from saving the media from in your gallery. So just select the picture that you want and you share it the very same way that you share with your third party. And it's as simple as that. Now you have already saved the space from your phone, and of course you won't be receiving much content of this media in your gallery. Now that's all for today, guys. I really do hope that you really did enjoy watching this video, and of course you learned something important. If you did, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Of course you can go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. All right, so until next time, my name is Josephine. Do take care of yourself, and I'll see you then. Ciao, take care.